question is about the case of Ambassador Mauro. She granted interview to the media recently, and she said that she was not able to undergo due process, and that the decision of the president is a result of pressure from some politicians because of public outcry. Ano po yung masasabi ninyo dito? Is this true?
Naku, kung makikita niyo naman po yung tape, nakita natin lahat ang mga pangyayari. No? So I think Ambassador Mauro, the best option is just quietly vanish into the night. No? Napakahirap pong sabihin na wala siyang pananagutan dahil meron po tayong physical evidence. No? Wag na po nating ungkatin yan, no? Dahil malinaw na malinaw po ang mga nakita natin sa pamamagitan po ng teknolohiya.
Mm-hmm. And Secretary, another thing, Ambassador Mauro asks Malacanang to reinvestigate her case and consider the evidences. Pwede po bang mangyari na buksan uli yung investigation sa kanya? Will the President consider this? And if ever, ano po yung mga possible basis to reopen the investigation?
Alam nyo, si Ms. Mauro was removed as ambassador. So let us not give her the title of ambassador. No? So ex-ambassador Mauro, she can of course move for reconsideration or appeal. Pero napakahirap po. Hindi ko alam kung ano pang reconsideration ang gagawin niya because the decision was rendered by the President himself. No? So pwede po siya mag-reconsider sa Office of the President. Pero napakahirap po kasi to argue with a video of what transpired. At siyempre po, siya po ay mukha ng Pilipinas sa ibang bansa. Kaya po talagang we cannot compromise as far as conduct of our highest officials are concerned, lalong-lalo na yung mga alter egos ng ating President sa iba't ibang parte ng daigdig.
So definitely, Secretary, ex-Ambassador Mauro will not be welcome in this administration anymore to hold any government office.
Not just in administration, till kingdom come po. Yun po yung kanyang parusa.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.